Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a new update that allows you to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone using the PC app. If you've ever sent a message by mistake or simply changed your mind, this feature can be a lifesaver. Let's get straight to the steps. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, the process is the same. Next, navigate to the conversation where you sent the message you want to delete. Scroll through the chat until you find the specific message you wish to remove. Once you've located the message, it's time to take action. Right-click on the message itself. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Delete. You'll see two choices appear: Delete for me and Delete for everyone. To remove the message from everyone's view, select Delete for everyone. After selecting that option, you'll see a prompt confirming your choice. Click Delete to finalize the action. And just like that, the message will be removed from both your chat and the recipients. Remember, this feature is time-sensitive, so you can only delete messages within a certain time frame after sending them. And that's all for today's quick tutorial. Now you can easily clean up any messages you regret sending. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.